ALPHA BIDET JX2 Elongated Bidet Toilet Seat, the warm water upgrade worth knowing. You know that moment when your basic toilet seat just feels like it is missing something, but you cannot quite name what? A friend switched her bathroom setup last winter, sat down the first morning, and immediately texted the group chat. Nothing dramatic, just 2 words. Game changer. Sound familiar? Drop a yes in the comments if your bathroom could quietly use an upgrade right now. Here is what nobody talks about. Every cold splash, every fumbling for paper, every late night stumble in the dark adds up into this low-grade bathroom fatigue that just drains you quietly, daily. One reviewer described it as years of tolerating something uncomfortable simply because a better option felt out of reach. It does not have to stay that way. The gap between frustrating and effortless is smaller than you think. This is exactly where the ALPHA BIDET JX2 Elongated Bidet Toilet Seat steps in and genuinely changes your daily routine. Do not just buy any bidet seat. Make sure it has endless warm water on demand so you never suffer from that jarring cold water shock mid-wash again. The JX2 uses a tankless heating system, which means warm water flows consistently without running out, something tank-based models simply cannot promise. The stainless steel self-cleaning nozzle handles hygiene quietly and durably. The wireless remote puts every setting, temperature, pressure, oscillation, and warm air drying within easy reach without awkward reaching or guessing. One user described finally using the wash and dry function together and realizing she had not needed to reach for paper once. That is a shift in habit most people do not expect. The LED nightlight handles those 2 a.m. moments without flipping on a blinding overhead switch. And the new bowl mist feature quietly reduces buildup between cleans. Small detail, genuinely useful every single day. Let us talk about what living with the ALPHA BIDET JX2 Elongated Bidet Toilet Seat actually feels like week over week. From day one, the heated seat alone removes that cold shock moment entirely. By the end of the first week, the wireless remote starts feeling like the only logical way a bidet should ever work. Long-term, users report a genuine reduction in paper use, cleaner habits overall, and a bathroom that simply feels more considered and complete. CNN Underscored named it Best Overall Bidet for 5 consecutive years. Forbes Vetted called it Best Value Bidet Seat. This old house recommended it specifically for seniors and anyone managing mobility challenges, which says something real about how accessible and intuitive the controls actually are. One owner wrote, "Honestly, where have you been all my life after 6 months of daily use?" Another said the sittable lid, rated to support 300 pounds, made it the first bidet seat that felt like a proper fixture rather than a fragile add-on. Which feature matters most to you? Comment warm water, remote, or nightlight below. The 3-year warranty quietly removes the last hesitation most people carry into this decision. The ALPHA BIDET JX2 Elongated Bidet Toilet Seat delivers warm water, quiet comfort, and daily convenience in one seat that actually holds up. That combination is genuinely rare at this level. Demand for this model has stayed consistently strong, and availability does shift. The people who already made the switch are not looking back. Link in the description. First one, pinned to the top. Your bathroom is one decision away from feeling completely different. Go make it.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.